Welcome to the deep dive. We take complex topics, break them down, and, well, hopefully give you something really useful.
That's the plan.
And today we're tackling something foundational in English. It trips a lot of learners up, but honestly, it's key to sounding natural. We're talking about the present perfect tense.
Right. And our mission really is to tune this supposedly tricky grammar point into something you could just use
Yeah.
easily,
Yeah.
especially for everyday stuff like your daily routines.
Yeah, make it a shortcut. Because the mistake people make is getting lost in rules about time.
Exactly. The present perfect isn't really about a timeline. It's about relevance.
Mm.
Think of it like a bridge. Yeah.
Mm.
It connects something you did in the past right to now because of the result.
The result, yes, that's the core thing for this dive, isn't it? Focus on the state it leaves you in now. If I say I've had coffee,
Hmm.
the main point isn't when I drank it. It's that, I'm feeling awake now, ready to go.
Precisely. It's a shortcut to clarity. You sound fluent, but you don't need to worry about exact times.
So the structure, let's just quickly cover that.
Oh, it's simple, really. It's just have or has,
Right.
plus the past participle form of the verb, like eaten, seen, done. That's the easy bit.
Okay,
The real key is understanding the context, the why you're using it.
got it. Okay, so let's unpack that. Where's the easiest place to start seeing this in action? Maybe morning routines?
Perfect place to start,
Mm.
especially using it with the word already.
Right, so talking about things you've finished doing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the beauty here is, with routines, you're just signaling completion. It's done. That's what matters now, not whether you did it at 7.05 or 7.15.
Okay, so like the absolute first thing for most people. I've already woken up. Simple.
Yep. If you just said, I woke up,
Right.
someone might ask, oh, when? But I've already woken up.
Just means I'm up and running now, no need for details.
Exactly. So let's run through a quick checklist. My morning, well, I've already had my coffee.
Essential.
Definitely. Actually, I've had 2 cups already. So
Yeah.
the result, high energy. Ready for this?
Okay, I see that. I've stuck to 1 cup myself, but I have already made my bed.
Oh, good one.
Yeah, it's small, I know, but the room looks tidy now. Changes the state, right?
But the perfect example, connecting action to current state. Okay, what about food? I've already eaten breakfast, toast and eggs today.
Nice. I've already eaten 2 fruit and yogurt for me.
Mm.
Very healthy.
Trying.
And the other basics, I've already taken a shower. And naturally, I've already gotten dressed.
Mm-hmm.
Put on this comfy sweater, actually. It's a bit chilly today. Surprising.
See, that sweater decision, it sounds trivial, but it's a perfect example. The past action, getting dressed, is directly relevant to how you feel now with the current temperature
Right.
and thinking about work. I've already checked my emails.
Yes, me too.
And the key thing is, I can tell you now there's nothing super urgent waiting. That check is complete, and the result is peace of mind. For now, anyway.
Yeah, I've checked mine too, but I haven't tackled the tricky ones yet.
Ooh, hold that thought. Perfect lead into the next bit.
Um,
But first, maybe a quick thought for you listening. Think about breakfast. If you told your partner maybe, I cooked breakfast this morning, you'd probably just use the simple past, right?
yeah, it sounds normal.
But what if they walked into the kitchen, saw it was all clean, and you wanted to confirm it was all done and dusted? You'd probably say, I've already cooked breakfast. Why that little shift?
Because the focus changes, doesn't it? It's not about when I cooked this morning. It's about the result now. The clean kitchen, or the fact that food is ready, or maybe just that the job's off my list.
Exactly, that present consequence. That's the heart of it.
Okay, so we've covered things we have done using already. Now let's flip it. What about the things we haven't done yet? This feels really useful for just, managing your day.
Oh, absolutely. This negative form is maybe even more common in daily chat. You use haven't or hasn't plus the past participle,
Right.
and then you stick yet on the end, usually.
Right.
And it just signals this isn't done right now, but
But I probably intend to do it.
exactly, the expectation is still there, it's pending.
Okay, so thinking about my day. Right. I haven't gone to the grocery store yet.
And the relevance now.
The fridge is looking a bit bare, so consequence. I'll be hungry later if I don't sort that out.
There you go.
Yeah.
Powerful motivation. For me, I haven't done my laundry yet.
The weekend chore.
Yep. And the consequence now is, well, I don't have any clean shirts for tomorrow lined up. So that pending task, it's affecting my readiness for tomorrow right now.
Makes sense. And I usually call my mom around lunchtime-ish, but I haven't called her yet today. So the relevance is, well, maybe she's wondering. Or just that feeling of wanting to connect is still there, Unresolved.
That's a good way to put it, unresolved. And same for me with exercise. I haven't exercised yet. Now, if I'd said I didn't exercise, it sounds final.
Yeah, like, oh, well, missed my chance today.
Right. But I haven't exercised yet. It keeps the possibility alive. It implies my plan is still to go for that walk later this afternoon. It keeps the intention active in the present.
So yet is really useful here, not just for saying what you haven't done, but also for asking, right? Like, have you finished those reports yet?
Exactly. It's checking if that pending action has finally become a completed one.
And if the answer is no, I haven't finished them yet.
You're not just saying no, you're confirming that task is still on your plate. It's your current focus, perhaps. It's such a simple structure, but it packs in a lot about your current state and intentions.
Okay, moving on a bit. We've done immediate completions already and pending tasks, not yet. What about, like, long-term stuff? Habits, things that have been true for ages and are still true now.
Ah, yes. Using it with always and never. This is where the tense really acts like a summary of your life almost.
A consistency report.
Yeah, kind of. When you use always with the present perfect, you're describing a habit that started way back when, but is still going strong today. It's that past to present bridge again, but over a longer time frame.
Okay. Example. I've always read the news in the morning. Ever since I was a student, really. First thing, check the headlines online.
And the relevance now.
Well, it means I start my day now feeling, informed, connected. It defines the start of my current day.
Perfect. For me, well, we talked about coffee. I've always had coffee in the morning. Seriously. I think I tried switching to tea for a week once.
How did that go?
Disaster.
Yeah.
Total disaster. Went straight back. So that started years ago, and it's absolutely true this morning, right now. It defines my current routine.
That continuity, yeah. Even small things, maybe. Like, I've always tried to drink a big glass of water first thing. Maybe don't always manage it, but the effort is consistent.
That try is important, too. Now, what about defining boundaries? Using never. This one's quite strong, isn't it?
It feels very definite.
It is. Using never with the present perfect means at no point in my entire life up to this very second has this action happened.
Wow. Okay. I've never skipped breakfast.
Really? Never.
Never. Honestly, if I did, the immediate result now would be like a splitting headache by 10 a.m. Terrible focus. So saying that isn't just about the past, it's about protecting how I function now.
Perfectly put. Protecting the present state. For me. Okay, I've never gone for a run before coffee.
Ah, brain needs fuel first.
Absolutely. My brain would just refuse. Also, and maybe this is controversial for the health gurus out there, I've never had a cold shower, ever.
Brave man admitting that.
Hey, I like my comfort. That boundary's firm, continuous. Still true today.
So whether it's always or never, we're using this tense to kind of build up a picture of our personal history, but specifically the parts that still shape who we are, what we do right now.
Exactly. History that informs the present.
Okay, let's broaden out. We've talked routines, habits. What about just general daily life? Managing work, those little everyday dramas?
But this is where it gets really flexible. Think about checking in midway through your workday, say around lunchtime. How do you summarize what you've achieved? You use the present perfect.
Okay, so by lunchtime, typically I've answered the most important emails. And I've probably had a couple of quick meetings, sync-ups.
And the resulting state for you now?
Is that I feel less overloaded with messages, more on top of things, communication-wise.
Makes sense. For me, by midday, I've usually finished the hardest tasks, the ones needing real concentration. And I've normally gone for a quick walk, too, just to clear my head.
Ah, good habit.
Try to. And that walk, that past action, directly affects my mental state now.
Yeah.
I feel refreshed. Ready for the afternoon.
Okay, let's jump to the end of the day. Nighttime routine is another sequence of completions, isn't it? Leading to being ready for bed.
Totally. So maybe I've cooked dinner, I've watched a bit of TV.
I've probably read a chapter of my book by then. Trying to wind down. Achieving that state of relaxation now.
And maybe I've called my family just to say goodnight. Action finished. Result now. Peace of mind.
Yeah.
But even then, there might be loose ends, right?
Oh, wait.
Like maybe I haven't packed my bag for tomorrow yet.
Ah, yes. The classic end-of-day task.
So even though I'm winding down, there's still that one little thing looming, affecting my complete relaxation now.
Okay, let's talk about using it for those sudden, slightly stressful moments. The classic, losing your keys.
Oh, yes. If you just say, I lost my keys, maybe yesterday, it's just a past event. Annoying, but past.
Right.
But if you burst into the room, eyes wide, saying, I've lost my keys, The meaning is totally different, isn't it?
Completely. It means help. I'm looking now. I can't get in. I'm stressed right this second.
Exactly. The losing part is finished, technically, but the consequence not having them is the big, flashing present problem.
Another one. The alarm clock fail. We've all done it.
Unfortunately, yes.
Oh no, I've forgotten to set my alarm clock. Past action. And now I've overslept. Present consequence. Panic. Rushing.
Perfect examples. The tense isn't just describing, it's signaling urgency, a current problem, a need for action now. It's really functional.
I wanted to circle back to something you touched on earlier, politeness. How does using the present perfect sometimes sound, well, less blunt?
Yeah, that's a nice subtle point. Compare, I didn't call my friend.
Sounds a bit final, maybe even a bit like you couldn't be bothered.
Right. It sounds like a closed case. A failure, maybe. But if you say, I haven't called my friend yet.
Ah, the yet again.
Exactly. It immediately implies the intention is still there.
Yeah.
You haven't forgotten. You just haven't managed it up to now. The door is still open for the action to happen.
It acknowledges the task without finalizing the failure. You might follow up with, I just haven't had a chance yet. Much softer.
Much softer. And this applies to learning things too, right? When you talk about recent achievements or progress.
How so?
Well, you wouldn't usually say, I recently learned, using the simple past, though it's not strictly wrong. It sounds more natural to say, I've recently learned how to make this amazing pasta sauce.
Okay.
Or, I've recently learned a few new words in Spanish. It grounds the learning. The action learning is done. And the result now is that you have this new skill, this new knowledge.
Right. It emphasizes the current possession of the skill. Okay, let's maybe try a quick comparison. Imagine two people talking about their morning. Scenario A, simple past only.
Okay, hit me.
As scenario A. Okay, so I made breakfast at 8, then I checked my email at 9, I took a shower around 10.
As scenario A listener. Okay, so what are you doing now then? Kind of leaves you hanging, right?
Yeah, it feels a bit like a list of disconnected events. Now, scenario B, using present perfect. As scenario B, right, morning's been busy, I've already made breakfast, and I've checked my email, so yeah, I'm pretty much all set.
As scenario B listener. Brilliant. Okay, well, since you're all set, have you thought about what we need from the shops yet? See the difference?
Huge difference. That second one flows straight into the present situation and next steps. The present perfect acted like a natural summary.
Exactly. It brought everything up to the present moment, ready for what's next.
Okay, so let's recap the main thing here. The present perfect, it's flexible, it's useful.
It's your go-to for summarizing recent things, talking about habits that are still true, and crucially, connecting something finished in the past to why it matters now.
It just helps you sound, well, more natural because you're focusing on the outcome, the result, not getting bogged down in timings.
So if you take away just one thing, let it be this. Forget the clock. Think about the result. Is the action done? And does that completion matter for what's happening or how you feel right now?
If the answer's yes.
Then the present perfect is probably your friend.
Brilliant. Okay, final thought for everyone listening.
Go on.
We've talked a lot about yet for things you haven't done. Try applying that right now. Think of one tiny, really trivial thing you haven't done yet today.
Ooh, like what?
I don't know, maybe reply to that non-urgent text. Or put away the clean dishes, something you might just ignore.
Oh, you got one in mind.
No, actually say it, maybe even out loud, I haven't done that thing yet. How does saying it like that change how you feel about it? Does it make it feel more like something that needs doing? Does giving it that verbal space increase that little sense of obligation?
Interesting question. Does acknowledging the not yet actually nudge you towards completion?
Something to think about. Start using that verbal bridge today. Connect your past actions to your present reality.
Practice really does make perfect with this one. Keep using it.
Thanks for tuning in to The Deep Dive. We'll see you next time.